Hello everyone, I welcome you all to Studies Code. It is 9 a.m., which means it is time for your daily dose of vocabulary with me. This session is going to be under 10 minutes, and the words you're going to see here are taken from the Hindu. So if you have yet not subscribed to our channel, make sure to do so. And do not forget to hit on that tiny bell near it so that every day when the session comes, you all get notified. With that being said, let's start the session and let's discuss the first word for today. The first word that we're going to discuss today is sanctify. The word is sanctify. Okay. It means to make something appear to be right, legal, or acceptable, or to give approval to something. So basically, you're trying to make something look very acceptable, or you could say very right in the eyes of law here. Okay. So you're trying to make it look here. Okay. Also, another meaning of this is if you're trying to make something look holy, you're making something holy again. Okay. The sentence here says the constitution sanctified the rights of the people. So our constitution basically sanctifies, it makes that the rights that we are given are right or they are legally provided. So it is sanctified by our constitution. Here, one question comes to my mind, which I hope that all of you who are, watching this session are already preparing for some or the other government exam, and this question is related to polity. Can you tell me the articles which relate to your rights in your constitution? The articles which are related to rights. Can you mention them in the comments? Let's see how many of you know it and answer it. Coming back, we have the synonyms. Synonyms here are to purify something, to heal something, to cleanse something, to restore something, or to improve something here. Antonyms here are degrade, corrupt, defile, or demean something. So you're trying to make something unpurify, unright, so you're corrupting that, defiling that, demeaning that. So these are the antonyms here. Next word for us is vital. Vital means very important or necessary. So something is very vital for you, that means it is very important and it is necessary. For us, breathing is a vital thing. Also, I've put the image here which shows somebody is getting a checkup. So getting your monthly checkups is also very vital. At this point, you should prioritize this, and also you should prioritize this for your family members, that you should get a monthly checkup for you as well as your family, which is very vital at this present state. Coming to the sentence, we have practice is vital if you want to speak language well. So if you practice every day, it is necessary that you practice every day if you want to speak a language, if you want to learn vocabulary as well. Therefore, we try to bring this session every day because practice is very important and consistency is also very important. Plus, if you're preparing for any exam, for you, revision is vital. So if you're not revising, if you're not doing revisions every day, you will face difficulties in your exam. So revision is very vital. So make sure when you're studying every day, take out some time and revise. At night, at least, revise things that you have learned the entire day. The synonyms here are dynamic, robust, powerful, and vigorous. And antonyms here are weak, dull, sluggish, and feeble. Next word for us is loom. Loom means to appear as a shape that is not clear and in a way that seems frightening. So something which you cannot make out, which is not very clear that what this particular shape is, and it could be frightening. As you could see here in the image, you could see a loomy figure here. Okay, so it is a loomy, or you can say a unclear figure is here. You use the word loomy. Okay, loomy or unclear figure you could see, and this figure basically is very unclear, also ghostly. So it becomes very frightening. Here the sentence is ghostly shapes loomed out of the fog in front of him. So a ghostly shape right now, all of us, because it's winter here, so we are facing extreme fogs also. So at this particular stage, a ghostly kind of figure loomed out, appeared very unclear in the fog, and it was in front of him. The synonyms here are brew and hover, and antonyms here are fall, recedes, or disappears. Next word for us is tenet. Tenet means one of the principles or beliefs that a theory or a larger set of beliefs is based on. So it's basically principle or belief that a bigger theory is basically based on. So somebody believed that one kind of principle because of which a lot of beliefs are adjusted to it, or they are part of it. Here the sentence is the two composers did not share basic aesthetic tenets. So they did not share those same principles. And if two composers do not have that same compatibilities on principles, they might not be able to produce the same kind of music and could not work together as well. Synonyms here are principle, rule, standard, and premise. And antonyms here are disbelief and uncertainty. Next, we have the word for the day, which is BAME. You're going to tell me the meaning of this particular word in the comment section as well as the antonyms and synonyms related to it. Let's see how many of you guys answer it. So make sure to participate in these sessions a lot, because see, the word is very simple. BAME is a very simple word. You might have heard it a lot many times, but when you write the meaning, then to make the meaning like the correct meaning, you will also face difficulty at first. So try to participate every day so that you could improve. So the session would become more meaningful. With that, we'll come to an end of this session. If you did like the content, make sure to hit the like button, share it with your friends. In the comments, do answer the question that we asked. We asked you 2 questions in this session. I hope you can answer both of them. And if you have any other kind of feedback related to our session, make sure to mention that as well. And lastly, do not forget to subscribe to our channel. With that, we'll end it here. Thank you for watching.